Hello friends, Reshma Sanjay, Lancaster Builders. Today I'll be discussing on the topic the various grades of OPC. So you would have seen in the market that the various grades of OPC is available. That is, we have a grade 33 grade cement, 43 grade cement and a 53 grade cement. So today let's have a brief look into what they are. So the grade of the cement is basically the compressive strength of the cement, which is measured after 28 days. So what is the compressive strength? It is the total load the cement can withstand. It is the applied load per unit area, which is measured in Newton per mm square. So the IS code which recommends the grades is the IS 1489-1991. So the first grade of cement, that is OPC 33 grade. So this type of cement has a compressive strength of 33 Newton per mm square, which is measured after 28 days. Usually this type of cement has high workability and the heat of hydration of such cement is lower compared to the 43 grade and the 53 grade cement. And also, the initial strength of these type of cement continues to gain even after 28 days. So let's have a look into the various uses of OPC 33 grade cement. The first, as I said, it has very good workability. So it's basically used for the plastering work, masonry work or the tiling work and all the construction work which requires a compressive strength of not more than M20. The next type of cement is the 43 grade cement. Here the compressive strength of this type of cement is 43 newtons per mm square measured after 28 days. This type of cement also has very good workability and the heat of hydration is medium between the 33 grade and the 53 grade cement. The chlorine content in such cement is low, so it significantly reduces the corrosion in the reinforcements. The initial strength gain continues to gain even after 28 days, and also it gives a better finish to the surface. So let's have a look into the various uses of OPC 43 grade. So it's basically used for the RMC preparation, for the PCC works, RCC works, and also used for the construction of the RCC bridges, silos, chimneys. And as I said, it gives a very good finished surface, so it is used for the finishing works of the bridges, roads and the water retaining structures. And it is significantly used for the precast and the pre-stressed concrete and used for all the construction works which require a compressive strength of about M30. The last grade of cement is OPC 53 grade. Here the compressive strength of such cement is 53 newtons per mm square measured after 28 days. Here also, the initial strength gain continues to gain even after 28 days. These usually act as sulfate resisting cement and also has a lower chlorine content in them. These are used for the fast or speedy construction works. And the heat of hydration is higher compared to 33 and 43 grade cement. The various uses of 53 grade cement are, it is used for the RCC elements like slabs, beams, columns, and also the footings. These are used for precast constructions and also for the concrete sleepers for the railways and all the construction works which require a compressive strength of more than M25. So this was the information I wanted to share in this video. Thank you and take care.